Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change ringtone in Microsoft Theme. So it's really quick and easy. The first thing that you will have to do is of course make sure that you've already logged into your Microsoft Themes. And once you're here, you will just have to click the settings and more, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and click settings again. And now that you're here, you will just go ahead and click notifications and activity and wait for it to load. And now you will just have to look for the sound section, which is right here. And now you will just have to choose your ringtone. And this is the list of the ringtone that you could choose from. So for example, this one. And you will just have to play it so that you will be able to preview the sound. And if you're satisfied, you will just have to save it or just leave it like that. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.